So it's a new day, and my plan today is to go to the Shipwreck Beach. I've been driving, I'd say it's about an hour away from the campsite, but I'm already driven about halfway there. So I took a stop. I was gonna walk around this little village here. There's so many like little small villages and things that you can stop at along the way. I might try out this soap shop here, but it's great to have some wheels in Greece, whether it's ATV or a car or whatever. It's great to have wheels. Check out this.
Here it's my small shop to working and to making soaps.
Yeah.
Just a moment to open the light.
Okay.
It's this. And this is fresh new soaps. This morning me to make. Like this it's careta soaps.
Okay.
All herbs. It's Latin name F and the English name is Helichrysum oriental. With these herbs to making every Botox cosmetics. And me to make one special face cream for Botox. Okay. This is cinnamon, like this is extract of calendula, aloe vera, chamomile, balm oil, with special balms herbs. Just a moment to looking.
Okay.
It's like these herbs. Balm. Okay. You know balm? What is balm? It's this.
Like balm for face.
Yes,
and
yes, it's balsam. Yes, please, yes.
So I got me some products from that natural skincare store. This is where you spend most of your money traveling. There's little knickknacks and stuff like this, but just so many great products and just so much stuff. I spent about like 25 euros. Was it necessary? No, but I don't regret it. I'm learning a lot about budgeting when traveling and just how much my money goes on just what's necessary and what's not necessary, but it's a part of being on holiday. Hey, there I am. I kind of want to walk up there. Should I walk up there or not? Alright, so there's my car, the black one there. Get back on the road and drive onto the our destination, the Shipwreck Beach. Alright, so apparently I think this is a monastery, and there's the Ion Sea, and I think I have to drive a little further in order to get to the Shipwreck Beach, but there is, it says on Google Maps at least, that there is a lookout point. wanted to go to the actual beach. Wow, look at that water. This is quite nice, but no worries. There's plenty of private beaches along the way I can go to. So that outlook is west. So it would be a great location for a sunset. I'm not too keen on driving at night, but yeah, I think it's mostly Germans here. It's not a surprise. Germans, other Brits, but no Americans. No Americans. That's why I'm here. Anyways, let's see. There's so much cool, interesting things to see and explore. Sometimes you just have to park the car and just get out. These are like the best. It's like the best parts right here. Just going through these little towns, these little villages. Hay storage. All right, let's keep going. So I have to take a boat to the beach, to the actual Shipwreck Beach. So I had to drive to this beach, long winding road, and hopefully we'll be there soon. Okay. I don't really know what the story is behind this, besides the fact it's a shipwreck, but maybe I'll put down below some information on it. Or how long it's been there, but it's definitely rusted. I thought it was a more older ship, you know, but I had to look up some more information on it. Falling rock. Erosion constantly taking place. Rocks falling down, cliffs changing. Probably next year or in a couple years, that cliff face might look something completely different. focus. There we go. What about up in here? This GoPro's got some nice autofocus. Alright, so let's get in the water. I got on all this black, yo. No wonder I'm sweating. Oh man. Belly first. Let's go.
Got the GoPro, got the right idea.
Yeah, I'm almost out of battery. Yes, recording. Yeah.
Ja, die stond echt met wolk, dat zou wel gaan.
Come on in. Go.
Nas, go. Tudo que é banda.
Hey.
Ready? Get this one on his face. Good enough. That's probably good camera, that. Back in the water, they're leaving.